Take a look at this crazy amount of money I made in just seconds. If you're all about making serious profits, don't go anywhere because I'm going to walk you through the entire process, one step at a time. I've been hustling MemeCoin trades non-stop for a long time, but I got tired of throwing cash into risky, shady projects. That's when I discovered this game-changing strategy. Now I can double or triple any amount of money I invest in seconds. And the best part? I can repeat the process as many times as I want. So, I just keep doing it over and over. That's the secret to my fast profits. I will create a new wallet and start from scratch to show you how easy it is to make money this way. The smart play is to stop trading meme coins and start making them. The big names are already ahead of the game, and we can't let them leave us behind. It's time for regular people like us to claim our piece of the pie. Most people drop their coins on Pump.Fun, but check this out. In just a few minutes, you'll see a ton of new coins appearing non-stop. It's way too saturated to make an impact, but don't sweat it. There's a solution. That solution is launching our coins on Raydium, a DEX where the competition is way lighter than Pump.Fun. Launches here are less common because they require coding, which is why projects on this network tend to grow bigger, hitting higher market caps and pulling in more volume. We want that kind of momentum, but most of us don't have coding skills. Here's the best part. That's not a problem anymore. I'll guide you through launching your coin here, attracting tons of investors, and making insane profits just like I've been doing. We're going to dive straight in and launch a meme coin today, Elon Priest. This is MemeFast, where all the magic happens. With MemeFast, you don't need to know how to code or use any developing tools. You and I can literally launch a meme coin just like the pros, without any technical skill at all. We're going to be able to make people think that they're early buyers of a legit coin with a solid developer behind it. And let me tell you guys, this is where the big money is at. So let's get started. First, you need a logo for the coin. I usually either use animals or politicians because they tend to do really well, and they're literally just killing it right now. I'm going to grab this photo of Elon Priest because I thought it was pretty funny. You want to size it to 128 by 128 pixels. Now when you're actually on the MemeFast website, what you want to do is go to the top right and click Connect a Wallet. Once you do that, and your wallet is connected, there might be some pop-ups that say it's not safe or something like that. Just ignore them. This is 100% safe. As you can see, my wallet is connected right now. Press Create a Coin. This is the good stuff. We're going to name it Priest Elon. Right here, Preon. Actually, let me type it in caps. Preon. That's going to be our token symbol. Now we drag the image in here. Beautiful. Leave the total supply at 1 billion, and we're going to write the first official Priest Elon coin. Beautiful. Now once you have this, you want to leave all of these selected. If you don't, it will show that the liquidity is not locked, and if the liquidity is not locked, you can steal other people's money pretty easily. So, make sure it is locked. Make sure you have those items selected so that it will show up as locked, okay? So here we go. I literally just filled up my Solana wallet with a little bit more money, and now we are about to launch the coin. Follow me here. We've got some SOL in here, and now let's actually launch the coin. Here we go. Make sure you have all these selected again, press Create a Coin, and right here, it should ask if you want to proceed. Make sure to press Proceed anyway. Beautiful. Now, you wait here. It's going to slowly create your coin. This should take only about 30 seconds or so. Alright, beautiful. What you want to do now is copy this right here, click OK, and here we go. I just created the coin. Now we're going to put 90% in token A, and then right here, we're going to put 0.3. Now we create the pool. We're going to wait until it loads, and there we go. It's going to ask again. Press Proceed anyway, confirm, and boom. There we go. We should be all good. Now we're going to view this on Photon, and as you guys can see, people are already buying in. Nice. Now, if you guys literally want to rug at any time, you can just remove liquidity. But I'm going to wait real quick so I can show you guys how much money we're making. Alright, here we go. Someone just bought in for $314. Very nice. We're going to wait for some bigger buyers to get this moving. Let's refresh. Okay, so we have two buys right now, $384 and $314. $6. We just made that in 10 seconds by literally doing nothing. And I guarantee you, if we waited here, we could literally make so much more. Here we go. Let's remove the liquidity. Okay, as you can see, press Proceed anyway, network fee, confirm. Yep, there we go. Liquidity was successfully removed. We literally just dumped on these people that bought in for $231, $4. Look, we literally just made all this money right here. around 10 bucks doing literally nothing in about 30 seconds. And yeah, that was honestly way too easy. This was obviously the easiest rug ever. Keep doing this, and you'll make money.